Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I've got a pretty cool product to show you guys. It is called the Ediag Plus from Kingbolen. This is an advanced OBD2 reader which not only reads codes such as engine codes, transmission codes, ABS, airbag, and every single electronic module on your vehicle. You can clear it and also do programming to these modules. For example, I'm going to show on our Mercedes right here. What you could do is reset the airmatic system. If you're changing out the airbags, you can adjust the parameters, so your new lowest height to be X or Y, or your new highest setting to be X or Y. You can service the SBC system, which is the electronic braking system. You can make it bleed the coolant system, the power steering, and also you can make it bleed the ABS system as well. So it's very useful if you own a German vehicle and you'd like to do some services yourself. So with this right here, you can pretty much do everything the dealer computer can do, but at your own home and without the $400 an hour cost. So all you need to do to program and connect to that module is an iPhone or Android device or a tablet, and we can make all the changes that we'll need. So this is their entry-level OBD2 reader. It goes all the way up to professional, but I would say this is an intermediate product, as you can make adjustments to many parameters. So today I'm going to show you guys an unboxing and some demos on the features it could do on this Mercedes as our demo, but it could also work with Volkswagens, Toyotas, Rams, and many other vehicles. I'm just going to show you guys on this vehicle because if it works on this with all these electronics, it should work on every other vehicle. So first off, let's get unboxing. So when you order the box, it's going to look something like this. Just going to open it from the bottom. Got a nice carrying case, very high quality. Look at the stitching. So it's going to protect your scanner from any damage while not in use. When you open it up, it looks like this. Instruction manuals and your activation code and such for your product. So now we're going to take it out, assemble it, plug it into the vehicle, and give it a go. So in order to do so, we're going to line up the serial connector, just like so. You can tighten it if you want. And then now we're going to go onto the vehicle and plug in that OBD. This shows your status, power, vehicle communication, input output. Very nice quality. And it feels like it's chemical resistant because it's the tough rubber, not the flimsy stuff, so if you drop it, it's not going to break. And there's also a locking tab on the OBD. So let's go ahead and plug it in the vehicle. So since we're using an iPhone, we're going to go into the App Store and search Ediag. Get the app. Alright, so once you successfully install the application, you boot it up, it looks something like this. But prior to that, you're going to make an account for you to log into the app and register your product. Once you're in here, we're going to hit all system diagnostics and then VIN scan. Allow Bluetooth. So now it's going to automatically connect to the reader down there. We're going to let it load. We'll automatically pull all the VIN information and all the faults and issues with the vehicle. So it's detected that it's a Mercedes-Benz. Right now it's downloading all the required modules in order to communicate with it. So as you can see, it updates what it's reading every step of the way, so you know it's not stuck. We're going to choose our module. Click OK. Let's do a system scan. Switch on ignition. It's already on.
Transmission control module equipped.
It's also got voice as well on what it's doing. It's scanning the ESM, TCM, DTR. You're going to see all the modules that it's scanning. It's just like the dealer computer. It'll go through every single module on your vehicle. As you can see, it's super in depth. It's going to take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this. You'll see on top on the time elapsed in order to scan every single module that this vehicle has. So it's even putting the head unit in diagnostic mode.
TCM, transmission control module equipped. TCM, transmission control module equipped.
So now that's completed, you can scan each individual module. You can do read fault codes or special function and change certain things. So for example, I'm going to go into, I'm going to go into the teleaid and turn that off because I don't want to see the arrow on my dash anymore, as it's very common with this year of vehicles. So we're going to make a change on the fly. So you can even change the resistor values on your antenna. We're going to change the message. Okay, now it's not activated. That's what we want. So for this status, so once it gets to the status health report that it's finished, you can click on any single one of these and make adjustments. For example, we are going to go on to the aromatic. You can actually hear the pump as we step into the module. Let's go into we can even release pressure and suspensions. This is all that we could do. You can manually raise or lower. It's super in depth. I don't want to touch anything right now because everything is perfect on this vehicle. So we're going to step back out. So this just goes to show how in depth you can go into each single module. There's even a module for your seat adjustments, parktronics, every single thing you can imagine, even your AC. So if we go back out and we do a health report, this is the one that would show you every single fault code
TCM,
on the vehicle.
Transmission control module OK.
It'll show you the number of codes and the type of fault and how to fix it. Once you click on it, I'll show you if there's any faults.
TCM, transmission control module OK. TCM, transmission control module OK.
So as you can see, the health report will bring up any issues with the vehicle. For example, we click on the faults. If we go back one, and we click fault report, it'll give you a breakdown of every single thing. So these are the issues we're having. Speed sensors, cruise control lever, heat exchanger. So as you can see, it's super easy to diagnose once you have something like this. We have 26 normal modules and 4 errors, so there's a total of 30 different modules here. So without some diagnostic tool that can go in depth into here like this and break it down for you, it's pretty much impossible to troubleshoot a vehicle like this. If we were to click on one of these issues, that's the error we have. We click on the question mark. We go on the first forum. It will tell you the issue that people have and how they fix it. Very easy. Same for every other one. So if we go back, click on that, it'll jump to it right away of the exact issue that other people had on forums and how to fix it. Very useful. So there you go, guys. On the Mercedes, you definitely need one of these Kingbolen scanners. Hey everyone, so in the demo that I just showed you guys, you saw how in depth this scanner can get. You see every single module that it would scan. There's up to 30 modules, and it breaks down for you which 4 troubled modules are. So for troubleshooting purposes, it is a lot easier as it breaks down for you which individual module has the issue and the actual trouble code for that module. And if you click on it, it'll jump you to a forum or a link on how to repair this issue or the suggested resolution and parts and time it takes. So this scanner is very important to have if you have a vehicle that's out of warranty. As you can see how in depth it could show you the issues, and you can resolve it in your own garage or driveway. So I totally recommend this scanner, because for the price point of what it does, usually for the opposing brands like Autel and AutoFix, if you want a scanner like this, you're looking at more than $1,000, the ones that comes with an iPad or a tablet. This one, it was only $100-something bucks, so it's a no-brainer. It's very useful for on the fly. You can use it on your phone and such. So I'm definitely grateful to have this in my arsenal to maintain our vehicles. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and have a wonderful day.